Hi y'all, it's my toy collection. Yes, yes y'all. Love to show off my all these great figures. Yes, yes y'all. I love my A-Team van and the G.I. Joe collection. Got that on display. Yes, yes y'all, with the dragonfly. There's Tiger chilling. We got BLOKEES, y'all. Right now we're on shattered glass Ironhide. Yes, yes, these are the BLOKEES. Check it out. This is Optimus Prime, white Optimus Prime. Yes, yes, y'all. Cute figure. It's good, but I don't know if it's worth all this work. These boxes could have just come with these figures, like already assembled. There's Bumblebee. I do love these figures, but I don't think it's worth all that work. And Blind Box. It's kind of fun. It's kind of alright. Yes, yes, y'all. There's Wheeljack. Here's Inferno. Cute little figures. Cutesy wootsy, I call it. Yes, yes, y'all. Here's Starscream. Yes, yes, y'all. And they also come with vehicle form, alt form. Here's Inferno. Little articulated over here. Yes, yes, y'all. And last, we got Bumblebee. We're going to make Shattered Glass Optimus Prime here. We got Bone Crusher. Got Bone Crusher. That's in this box. Let's see what else we've got. I can't wait till I complete this. I want to know what's in here. Oops. You guys don't seem to like this. I got no likes on this last video. And we got Hook the vehicle. Hook with this cutesy wootsy little cards. Yes, yes, y'all. That can be done fast. Let's there's the instruction manual. Yes, y'all. Let's assemble the vehicle. Yes, yes, y'all. And we're gonna assemble this like this. Get the hook in there. Yes, yes, y'all. Get the wheels on here. Hook the vehicle. Want to get that Devastator Wave 3, but I don't know. This is not that great. Got no likes on this. Hook the vehicle. Yes, yes, y'all. And that's it. Yes, yes, y'all. There's Hook the vehicle. Not that great. There, it's snapped on. Yes, yes, y'all. Did I even do this right? This is strange. There it goes. Oh, there it collapses in there. Yes, yes, y'all. I can. Got Hook the vehicle. Not too impressed with that. Yes, yes, y'all. We got Bone Crusher. Yeah. Let's open this up. See what we got in here. Yes, yes, y'all. Only one more box after this, and we completed the whole thing. Ooh, that's dope. Soundwave. Nice. I'm excited about that. sound wave, Golden Lagoon gold sound wave. Cutesy bootsy card. Yes, yes, y'all. Gold sound wave. That's pretty dope. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's see what we have here. The last box. It's funny you guys didn't like the video. And last we have here. And last we have Bone Crusher the vehicle. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Instruction manual. Let's take that out. Take out Bone Crusher the vehicle. So that's all. That's all there is to it, I think. Yes, yes, y'all. Let me see if, yeah. Yeah, that's all there is. So in this other set, I gotta see if I got a Shattered Glass Bumblebee, special armor type, Starscream. We'll see if we get, yeah, see if we got that. Shattered Glass here. Okay, Bone Crusher vehicle. Let's put that together. And we got this. Bone Crusher vehicle. I believe that goes like that. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. That goes like that. Let's see now. Did I put this upside down? I don't know. Little error in this. I did this wrong. That goes like that. stupid stuff. Yeah. Yes, y'all. And we'll get the wheels on there. Stupid. It looks stupid. Yeah. Bone Crusher vehicle. Yes, y'all. Excited about Soundwave. Yes, y'all. Let's get Ironhide going here. Got the leg. Shattered Glass Ironhide. Got the leg. Let's get the foot on. Yes, y'all. Yeah. There's Shattered Glass Ironhide. Put the thigh on. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. There's Shattered Glass Ironhide. Get his shoulders on. And we are almost done. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. We are almost done. Yes, y'all. Put his fist, oops. Wrong side fist. Yes, y'all. There's Shattered Glass Ironhide. Love these toys. To have this as a kid would have been pretty sweet. Cute little blokies. Yes, y'all. We got two more. Gonna do that. We got Soundwave. Yes, y'all. Got two more. We'll unbox that in a little bit. Put that over here. Yes, y'all. These are BLOKEES. Are you into that? What do you think? Yes, y'all. Let's go through this. It's going to be all the same stuff. Hopefully to get hopefully to get the special type figures or something. Yeah. So two more figures. We got Bone Crusher, the robot, and the Golden Lagoon Soundwave. Yes, y'all. Thanks for tuning in.